Do you ever just like have those days where you just feel ugly? You do your makeup, you feel great, and then you look at yourself in the mirror and you're just like, that is not it. That is not what I was going for today. What is up guys, it's Ava and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. It's literally 2021. I'm gonna have to let that sink in for another like 12 months. 2020 just fully passed us by. What happened? What happened? What happened? Today we're doing the 24-hour shopping challenge. Honestly, I've avoided 24-hour challenges for pretty much the entire time that these videos have been trending, simply because it's scary devoting 24 hours to something. Like, I really enjoy my sleep. I sleep a good 8 hours every single night. I can sleep for 24. Should you give me the opportunity? 24 hours doing anything, it's just a little intimidating. But today, I'm going to do it for you guys. I am not going to sleep tonight. I'm going to shop for 24 consecutive hours. Because I moved during the pandemic and I got rid of a lot of my furniture, kind of started fresh with a lot of things. It's kind of the perfect time to just like shop for random things. So here's how this video is going to work. There's going to be categories: home decor, a luxury item, something sexy, something trendy, something I would never buy myself, and a wig. Here we go. At the end of the video, we're going to haul everything that I bought and I'll show you guys what we bought, what we came up with. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we're currently at Restoration Hardware. First stop, the big bucks. Hopefully my car doesn't get declined. We're currently at Restoration Hardware. This is a store, we're at the outlet, okay? We're not at the actual Restoration Hardware. Restoration Hardware is not cheap. That stuff is expensive. I actually didn't know that there was a Restoration Hardware outlet. We love to save some money, so let's see if we can find anything inside the outlet. Mask on. Hey, Mama's gonna spend some money today. Woo! I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. Oh my God, I hate vlogging in public. Okay, so I went to Restoration Hardware and I'm not gonna lie, I was really nervous to film inside. I didn't want them to like think that I was, you know, just a hooligan trying to get some vlog content. I was there to buy something. I was a serious adult buyer. So yeah, this is the chandelier. Dude, I was literally shaking vlogging in here. Like, this footage is so bad, but yeah, those are rugs. I was gonna buy one, but then the rug was $1,000. So I didn't, and I ended up getting this dresser because yeah, it's cute, and yeah, yep. There's my receipt, and that's me leaving terrified. I bought something! Guys! I bought something at the Restoration Hardware outlet. I'm not even gonna tell you what I spent. I spent too much. I'm not gonna lie, I did feel some pressure being in such a bougie store. I did feel some pressure. I pick it up tomorrow. I almost bought a couch too. I almost bought a couch. I was feeling too bougie. Okay, so I had to shop for the rest of the whole day, so I spent the time going to a vintage furniture store. I didn't find anything here, but there were some cool things to vlog. Honestly, I think I just, you know, I was feeling a little beat after spending so much money at Restoration Hardware. I really did like this orange dresser, but I just didn't think I wanted to spend any more money today. So I listened to some folk music and drove to the bougiest mall in California, which is South Coast Plaza. Looked at some clothes, didn't like anything. It was not cute, fit me really ugly, but I did buy a really cute dress from GOIN, and yeah, there's me trying it on. I don't like taking my clothes off when I try stuff on, so yeah, got a croissant and went home. Okay guys, I'm home from the mall, and can I just say, I have never been happier to be outside of a public location. I tried to get into Zara. People were fighting. I don't even know why I went to the mall. I think I was just like craving some, like, seeing people. It is currently 10 p.m. and we are about to start online shopping. I'm trying to think, like, where should we start? We have a whole night of this, so maybe a luxury item? I mean, I feel like I already bought one. Louis Vuitton. $12,000? What is that? That's a sleeping bag and a shoe. Oh, I mean, those are cute, but like, those are made of fur. Why does this look like a McDonald's play place? Now we're gonna move on to something sexy. It's 1 in the morning. Guys, look at this robe. Fastest delivery is January 5th to the 8th. Yeah, that's not gonna work. How could you just buy one of these? That color's so pretty. That one might make me risk it all. Okay, we have to get this. Oh, the yellow's cute. Arrives before Christmas. We're gonna give this one a go. We're gonna give it a spin around the block. Add to cart. Open back see-through mesh pajama set black. There's like no size. Should we just send it? I mean, it's like $13. Let's just go for it. Let's just add it to cart. Okay, the next category is something you would never buy yourself, and why am I talking like Grace Vanderwall right now? I already know what I'm gonna get myself because this is something that I've had my eye on for quite some time. Not quite some time, about a week. I'm gonna buy myself a virtual reality headset, the Oculus Quest 2. Okay, add to cart. The next category is something trendy, and I'm going to give myself quite a few hours to work. I'm so tired, guys. What? I Postmated Carl's Jr. I did get myself some zucchini bites. Site-wide sale. Oh, nice. Me too. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. We're getting that. I'm gonna buy the stuff and keep looking. Ow. Ah! It's 4 in the morning. The wig. I've never purchased a wig on Amazon. I don't know how this is gonna go, but there are some wigs on Amazon Prime. I didn't think there would be any. We do need a wig that will have transparent lace. I mean, that does, that does look really nice. 22 inches for $195? I mean, okay, we have to get this. She looks really good. Brazilian body wave lace front. We're gonna go for it. It's 6:30 in the morning. The sun is coming up. Oh. These videos always make me happy. I need to make an online purchase.
A canoe.
A canoe? I went to go pay at the pay station at the Restoration Hardware and yo, what? Okay, well, it has been a solid week. Everything came, guys. I cannot even tell you how stressed I was. One of the packages was in Israel. In Israel, the day of Christmas. Let's get into what I bought. We're gonna go in order. So the first thing that I bought was the dresser from Restoration Hardware. I already owned one of the dressers and I knew eventually I would have to get a second one to complete, you know, normally you have 2 nightstands if you're like an adult. Unfortunately, the dresser that I bought, it doesn't fit in my apartment. It's just too big. I literally think that's gonna stay in plastic until I buy a new house, or move somewhere that can fit 2 nightstands. When I buy my house, that dresser will be next to this one. The next thing that I bought was something luxury, and I went to the mall for this one. I went and bought something at GOIN. This is the first time I'm taking it out of the packaging. This is my first time I'm like touching it from buying it. Okay. I loved the pattern. I love orange. I'm a sucker for bright orange things. Look at that. Look at how pretty that looks. Oh my God, I want to wear it right now. This dress to me just screams like event. Getty Images is there. I'm like,
Ava, over here. Ava, please. Miss Ava, please look over here.
You know, this is like a Getty Image dress. Like, that is so cute. The next thing that I bought, I think it was something sexy. I have not opened this yet. I have no idea what is inside here. Okay, first of all, color is beautiful. The fabric feels really silky and really soft. Wait, what? It came with some underwear. I don't even remember, like, what is this? Oh, that's gonna go in your butt strings. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to try this on, but it's looking just as I expected. It's looking pretty short. The next one that I bought is this yellow number, and this looks like a bag of ramen noodles. Wait, this is like, look. Tie the sides. I think that'll be cute on. That's cute. This is the top. That is cute. I really do think they did a good job with this one. Now on to the outfit that had no sizing. I have no idea what is gonna be in this package, but the good news is it looks tiny. Something just flopped out. This is more underwear. Wait, no, this is the bra. Oh, that's cute, wait. That's kind of cute. For like how much it was, that's sparkling. I think that's nice. Look at how cute and sparkly that is. That's so cute though. Like that's really sparkling. That's, oh, I'm gonna have to try these on. I like this. The next thing that I bought was an Oculus Rift 2. I knew I had to have this thing. I mainly got it just because there's so many things in the world that I want to experience. Like I want to skydive and I want to swim with whale sharks, go to space and like do all of these things. And I swear to you, like this thing has truly made my life so much more fun within the last couple days. I've been sniffed by elephants in this thing. I have seen so many different worlds. I've ridden roller coasters. No, I would not like to play again. That thing, I do not regret buying at all. I've had so much fun with it with my family over Christmas, and you have to get it. The next thing that I got was something trendy, and I went shopping on 2 different spots for the something trendy clothes. Princess Polly, and I went to Adika. This shirt, this top, which I just feel like is the perfect TikToking shirt. This top, guys, oh, it's so hot. And then the last thing that I got from Adika are these sweatpants. They're just 2-tone sweatpants, which I thought were trendy. I've seen people wear these 2-tones, but I never know where to buy them. So the fact that I found them with some pockets too. Okay, moving on to Princess Polly. I'm not gonna get into everything that I bought from Princess Polly. Pretty much just a bunch of dresses. I made this TikTok and it blew up. Everyone was just asking where that dress was from. So I thought I would buy the white version. Bam! With the slit on the side. Oh, it is so sexy and so cute. If I say cute one more time, guys, just hit me in the face. And for the last thing that I purchased, I bought 2 wigs from Amazon. Guys, oh, I couldn't help myself. I had to take them out and just see what was going on with them. I needed to know. You know, I needed to know. I needed to know what I had just spent hundreds of dollars on. Was I disappointed? I was. This is the first wig. First of all, this wig is not transparent lace. This is not transparent lace. They lied. They lied to me. Not the Snape hairline. You better stop this. This is not the hairline. You gotta pluck. Everything is great on this wig except for the hairline. What is that? That is not transparent lace. The second wig that I bought, guys, this is the one that I just regret. This is a mess. You better stop this. Amazon is playing with me. Y'all, I bought an 18-inch wig and I swear to God, if I put this wig on, this is a 16 at most. My natural hair is longer than this wig that I bought. So that is all the stuff that I bought for the 24-hour shopping challenge. I am so glad I'm done shopping for 24 hours. Y'all, you really think you're gonna enjoy it. You're like, oh yes, I get to shop for 24 hours. It's a nightmare, like let me be honest. Give this video a big thumbs up. If this video gets, let's say 50,000 likes, I will do another 24-hour challenge, and give me some 24-hour challenges to do in the comments down below. Happy New Year, guys. I love you so much. I hope you have an amazing new year, and I hope that everything that you want this year happens to you. And I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye.
La primera vez que te veía, supe que era la mujer para mí. Nunca tuve ni una duda, no. Y ahora vos tenés mi corazón. Dale, nena, contame lo que te gusta de mí.